It has been said that land restoration is a journey, not a destination. Since the historic Indian Agency House's last Prairie update, our journey to protect and expand the site's rare natural landscape has witnessed significant progress. In the project's previous phase, loggers removed approximately 8 acres of mature stands of black locust trees, which have been aggressively taking over areas of surviving prairie. In Phase 3, which commenced last fall and will conclude in the coming months, additional milestones have been met. While the lack of snow cover offered little chance to burn brush piles, 58 brush piles were successfully torched. An additional 175 or so hand-stacked piles await burning in Phase 4 of our efforts. The logging operation of 2023 left residual stands of locusts at the edge of the mature tree harvest areas. Over the past winter and early spring, volunteers invested more than 475 hours into felling and processing hundreds of these trees, as well as scouring the property with loppers for younger saplings to eradicate and treat with herbicide. Buckthorn stands and honeysuckle patches were also attacked in the process. As of this present time, there are no locust trees standing on the property. The roots and dormant seeds remain, however, so this spring and summer entail a vigilant effort to treat resprouts as they emerge. New plantings of prairie species are also planned for the autumn. We're further along in our journey than we would have ever thought possible when the project began in 2021. Efforts will continue into another phase of land stewardship in the coming year, but it is good to pause and reflect on progress thus far. Enjoy some snapshots of this past year's advancements. With the felling of the last locust trees on our historic site, we enter a new phase in the land restoration journey. Over the next year, our efforts will continue to focus on controlling locust resprouts, a vigilance which will continue until the rhizome energy of the removed mature locust forest is fully depleted. We will additionally focus on investing in the regrowth of prairie species in the areas which have been cleared. The saying goes that persistence pays off. We are so grateful for those who have volunteered their time, talents, and hard work to get us to this point, and we look ahead to brightened prospects for this site and valuable historic landscape.